Hey guys, here I am again, Brandon, Auto Advantage. Today, we have an awesome 2017 Hyundai Sonata plug-in hybrid 2.0 liter engine limited. 40 miles per gallon on the highway, 38 around town. Very useful in today's economy for sure. It only has 102,000 miles on a 2017. It sold for just under $40,000 when it sold new. So this is a steal. Price to sell for sure. Let's take a walk outside and take a look. It's in an awesome looking white pearl. As you can see, very good looking car. White on gray leather interior. Very well equipped. Very nice car. Safe. The gas mileage hard to beat. Interior gray leather. Passenger and driver power seat. Side airbags, as I mentioned, safe. Good looking screen with navigation. Not a small screen. Has two 12 volts, a USB and an aux. Infinity upgraded sound system. I mean, this is a beaut. Back seat looks like no one's ever sat in it. Great looking vehicle. Tires have good tread on them, as all of ours do. Trunk is spacious, as you can see. Charging cord, because it is a plug-in. I mean, this will save you money for sure, guaranteed. It has the backup sensors that go beep, beep, beep as you become closer to an object, a person, a car. Good safety features. Perfect for a first car, perfect for a commuter for sure. Inside, memory seats 1 and 2 for his and hers. Power mirror, power locks, power windows, power seat with lumbar feature. Excellent looking car. Backup camera is ample. It's not one of those small ones. All in all, very nice wood trim on the door panels. Again, 2017 Hyundai Sonata Limited 2 liter plug-in hybrid. 40 miles per gallon on the highway, 38 around town. Come see us. Auto Advantage, 1150 West Mission Avenue, Escondido, 92025. Our phone number, which you can text or call, is 760-280-7648. Give us a call. Go to our website. Free Carfax. 30 or so pictures of every vehicle. We do take trade-ins. We do have lenders if you need some help getting approved. Again, Auto Advantage, 760-280-7648. Hope to meet you soon.